Lecture on Fraud, Spam, and Phishing Detection. Introduction. Fraud, spam, and phishing attacks are common threats in the digital world. They exploit vulnerabilities in systems and human psychology to steal data, financial assets, or sensitive information. This lecture explores these threats, their detection techniques, and real-world examples. Understanding fraud. Fraud involves deceptive practices intended to secure unfair financial or personal gain. Common types include identity theft, stealing someone's personal information to commit fraud; payment fraud, unauthorized use of credit cards or digital wallets; insurance fraud, false claims to extract money from insurance companies; click fraud, artificially inflating clicks on online ads to generate revenue. Example: a fraudster steals credit card details from an online database and uses them to make purchases. Machine learning algorithms can detect unusual spending patterns and block fraudulent transactions. Detection techniques. Machine learning models, supervised learning models trained on labeled fraud transactions. Rule-based systems, flagging anomalies based on predefined conditions, e.g., multiple high-value purchases in minutes. Behavioral analysis, detecting fraud by tracking normal user behavior versus anomalies. Understanding spam. Spam refers to unwanted or irrelevant messages sent in bulk, often for advertising or malicious purposes. Types of spam. Email spam, unsolicited emails promoting scams or malware. SMS spam, fake messages luring users into clicking malicious links. Social media spam, fake promotions, bot-driven comments, or mass messaging. Example: a user receives an email with a fake lottery win notification, urging them to pay a processing fee. Spam filters analyze the email for suspicious patterns, such as blacklisted words or links. Detection techniques. Bayesian filtering, probabilistic models that classify emails as spam or not. Blacklists and whitelists, maintaining a database of known spam sources. Natural language processing, NLP analyzing text structure, tone, and keywords to detect spam messages. Understanding phishing. Phishing attacks aim to trick users into providing sensitive information by posing as legitimate entities. Types of phishing. Email phishing, fake emails pretending to be from banks, tech companies, or government agencies. Spear phishing, targeted attacks against individuals using personalized information. Whaling, high-level phishing attacks targeting executives. Vishing and smishing, phishing through voice calls or SMS messages. Example: a user receives an email from support@bank-secure.com asking them to reset their password via a malicious link. A detection system scans the email headers, domain reputation, and embedded URLs to identify phishing attempts. Detection techniques. URL analysis, checking if links and messages match known phishing domains. Email header analysis, verifying sender authenticity using SPF, DKIM, and MARC. AI-based detection, deep learning models that detect phishing patterns in real time. Combating these threats with AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a vital role in detecting and preventing fraud, spam, and phishing attacks. Key AI-based approaches. Supervised learning, training models with labeled examples of fraud/spam/phishing. Unsupervised learning, identifying anomalies without predefined labels. Neural networks, deep learning models for image and text-based fraud detection. Graph-based techniques, detecting fraud rings in financial transactions. Real-world example. Financial institutions use AI-powered fraud detection systems that analyze millions of transactions per second. When a deviation from normal patterns occurs, e.g., a sudden transfer to an unfamiliar country, the system triggers an alert and possibly blocks the transaction. Code example. Detecting phishing URLs with machine learning. A simple Python script using a machine learning model to detect phishing URLs. Two. Feature extraction. URLs are processed by removing protocols and splitting domain parts. 3. Vectorization converts text-based features into numerical form. 4. Training the model. A random forest classifier learns from labeled data. 5. Prediction and evaluation. The model predicts phishing URLs and calculates accuracy. Best practices for prevention. User awareness. Educating users on recognizing phishing emails and spam. Multi-factor authentication. MFA adding extra layers of security. Regular updates. Keeping systems patched against known vulnerabilities. AI-driven monitoring. Using real-time machine learning to detect threats. Secure email gateways. Filtering malicious emails before they reach users. Conclusion. Fraud, spam, and phishing detection require a mix of technology, analytics, and user awareness. AI-driven systems, combined with robust security practices, can significantly reduce the risk of these threats.